You were in this travel agency before you came here. You went through the whole catalog of where to go and what to do, and you planned it in detail with the travel agency and the people inside. You were looking forward to this trip. Finally, yes. And these guys even arranged guides for you along the way that could help you, that been there before. But now we're here and we have forgotten everything about it. We knew that would happen, but we also knew that if we listen really carefully and follow our gut feeling, our hearts, that would keep us on the right path. Calling the people in the travel agency and say, hey, I want to pilot that plane myself, by the way. Or you come in there and say, I want to change everything and now I'm in charge, I will decide everything. Wouldn't it be easier if we follow the catalog that we agreed to? So instead of thinking, oh, I have to fix everything on this trip, meaning my life myself, no. Trust the travel agency and trust the travel guides. They're there. What do you think would happen if you started trusting? Maybe do as this little guy. Enjoy the ride.